Tonight, a teenager is facing a second-degree murder charge in connection with last week's shooting at Desert Sky Mall. The shooting left one teen dead and another seriously hurt. Thanks for joining us tonight for 12 News at 10. I'm Mark Curtis.
And I'm Kadiba Devine. And this is just one case in a recent string of gun violence involving teenagers, which begs the question, how are teens getting their hands on guns?
It's a good question. 12 News journalist Gabriella Becerra is here with more. Gabby, what's going on?
Well, Mark Rebe, Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell says that she often sees teens on both sides of a crime as suspects and victims, and that's the case in the mall shooting. She's calling on changes that will keep teens away from violence. A spike in gun violence involving teenagers is a primary concern for Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell.
Young people are getting a hold of guns and using them at an alarming rate.
One of the most recent cases involves a 15-year-old boy accused of opening fire on a group of people at Desert Sky Mall last Tuesday. 12 News isn't identifying the teen since he's a minor. According to Phoenix police, surveillance video shows him in an argument near a mall kiosk before allegedly pulling out a gun and firing at the group. The shooting left a 17-year-old boy dead and a 16-year-old boy seriously hurt. Newly obtained court records reveal the accused teen is facing 6 felony counts, including second-degree murder and aggravated assault. For juveniles 15 years or older, Arizona law requires these charges to be filed in adult court.
They're making decisions that not only carry serious consequences, but will follow them, because many of these crimes call for charging juveniles as adults.
According to Mitchell's office, 150 juveniles were charged as adults in 2025. 87% of those cases were violent crimes or involved guns.
It is happening too often, and our juvenile division in this office sees cases of teenagers with firearms nearly every day.
Mitchell didn't specifically speak on the Desert Sky Mall shooting, but I asked her and police chiefs from across the valley where teens are getting a hold of guns.
Thefts from the vehicles, the burglaries, that's a lot where we're seeing these things.
And they say teens often sell and trade the weapons amongst themselves.
They are buying and selling them via social media, which also puts them in peril just to have a gun deal. We've seen a number of those go very, very wrong.
Both Mitchell and Valley Police chiefs are encouraging parents to monitor their children's activity on social media and to keep track of how their children are spending their time and who they're spending it with. In studio, Gabriella Becerra, 12 News.
Gabby, thanks. New tonight.